making this video diri para maghambog, but to share with you something close to my heart. For the longest time, I set this dream aside. I asked myself, kaya ko ba? Kaya every time nakikita ko akong mga sangkay nga nakakapundar at nakakatukod sa irang mga balay, nasa ringak, ako kaya? Sano? Deep in my heart, I've always dreamed of this. A simple bahay kubo, a peaceful place to rest. Magmata san huli san katamsihan, to live like life used to be. Waray aringasa, no rush, just peace and purpose and contentment. I actually don't want luxury, but I want to live simply. Yan na, hinay-hinay, nahihimo ko. Makuri, pero kaya. Sa mga mamingaw la, pero puno san pangarap. Atuyot, don't give up. Even if it takes time. Bisan maluya, padayon la. The life that you really want, it is worth building. Bisan hinay-hinay la. Ang nagpadara, Novi. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more video.